Dear student, now next program based on that searching only, it is a linear search has been done using a while loop. Okay, so this is a list has been taken and num has been taken that which value needed to be searched. Now one value has been taken f equals to false. So let us open this program, a linear searching program. Okay, using a linear search. So this is what a linear searching program. In this linear searching program, what you will going to find it that a number has been taken, series of list number has been taken. After taking the series of list number, num equals to input. That means what the value needed to be searched. After the value needed to be searched, f has been set as false. Okay, so p equals to set as 0. Now while p less than len of what list 1 and not if, that means not if means false. If it is not false, then only it will enter here. So what it will do, if list 1 p equals to num, then if equals to true. So as soon as it is became equals to none, it will become true. Okay, so as it become true, what will happen that p equals to p plus 1. So value of p is increasing. Now if so if condition is used for the true case. Okay, what it will going to print num is found in which number of position, at position number, suppose this, and num is not presented in a list. Okay, so this is what your particular program will going to execute. Now in this particular structure, when the program will going to execute, what you will going to see it that there it will now going to ask you enter the value that you need to search. So suppose I am giving here the value 40. Okay, now enter. 40 is in which position? 40 is in the fourth position. Now again if I run it, suppose now I give 80 here. 80 in which position? In the 8th position. Okay, so this way what you find it, the position will going to take, and it will take the position of that particular value, and it will going to show you. Now originally the position that was stored is what 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It is in a 7th position as per the computer, but what I have done here, that I have increased that particular positional part. What the positional part? P I have said 0. As soon as it is find true, P will become P plus 1. That means what is the value? If it is 7, then means 7 plus 1, 8. If it is 3, that means see here originally 0, 1, 2, 3. That means it is in the 3rd position. But what will happen? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. So it will show you the 4th position. That means how we count. We count like 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3rd, this one is 4th position, this is 5th position. That we count. But computer doesn't count in that way. Computer counts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the sake of the user, what I have done, I have increased the value of p. What the value of p I have said, as soon as you find it true, increase the value of the p. What the thing what is there? Suppose it is finding a position, the 3rd position. So 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, so this is how the condition will going to execute. So if this condition is going to execute and it find the value is true, that means what it will do, it will do this. If it is not true, that means that particular section is not presented, then it will write number is not presented. Okay, so let us say number is not presented for the case, suppose run. Okay, now it has asked the value, suppose I give here 5, enter. 5 is not presented. Okay, so this is how your work format of the particular program will going to be structured. So you can structure the program in this particular way, so that it will be easier for you to understand. Number one. Number two, you can easily run the program and find out what the things are. So what the thing has been used, it is a linear searching. Linear searching means it will going to search the section wise, it will going to divide, it will going to search part by part, and it will going to take out the particular position of it. So this is what you see it, that there is a 10 20 30 40 50 one list is been created, and based on this linear search, what the major thing it is, that is the